What is going on, guys? Phil is here, the YouTuber that helps you invest to rest. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys here where to go to find your free stocks that you got on Webull. Okay, so I'm right here on the Webull app, and I'm showing you where exactly to go to see all your free stocks that you got from using Webulls and your referrals. So all you do is you click menu here at the bottom. Then what you want to do is you want to click my free stock, as you guys can see right there. It says my free stock, the first one. After you click my free stock, you guys should see it all right here. It tells you at the top how many stocks you got, and shout out to you guys for all these stocks that you guys gave me for the referrals. And it shows you all the free stocks that you got right there, and it's awesome. And it also gives you guys here the dates. Now if you want to see the status of the people that you referred, that you invited, whether they deposited the money yet, whether they made their account yet, you just gotta click right here, invitation bonus, boom, and then you click at the top my invites. And I love this because it tells you their status, whether they deposited yet. For you to get your stocks, they have to deposit, I think, $100. So it tells you right here. So for example, this guy right here, account approved, awesome. So you got his account approved, but he still didn't. The ones here, deposit completed. So as you guys can see, you can see, and it tells you the name too, but it only gives like a certain part of it. So it's not the full name. So it's not the full email, but you can kind of see whose email it is, and you guys can see their status in it. So yeah, guys, that's basically where you go to see your free stocks and also see the status of your referrals. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like and comment below what you guys want to see next. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.